fall in love with someone who deserves your heart, not someone who plays with it. The best love story is when you fall in love with the most unexpected person. Don't make me an option when I have made you my priority. Love is what makes you smile when you're tired. True love does not tolerate outsiders. Love is not what the mind thinks, but what the heart feels. Love the one who loves you, not the one whom you love. True love never dies, it only gets stronger with time. If love is true, it will always find a way. True love has a habit of coming back. Being in love is like being drunk, no control over what you do. True love isn't love at first sight, but love at every sight. Sometimes you just need to maintain a distance to keep them close to you. Love never fails. We fail to love. We fall in love by chance. We stay in love by choice. Love never dies, only the lover changes. Love means exposing yourself to the pain of being hurt by someone you trust. Love can't be found where it doesn't exist. Love is like war, easy to begin but very hard to stop. Love when you're ready, not when you are alone. Love is when you have the chance to leave but choose to stay. If you love something, set it free. When love is not madness, it is not love. I want someone who comes into my life by accident and stays on purpose. Everybody knows how to love, but only few people know how to stay in love with one person forever. When the heart takes over, the mind can't do a thing. Love her like you're the worst. Make love to her like you're the best. True love is when she talks non-stop and you're still interested in listening to her. If you expect something in return, it's called business, not love. If someone gives you a second chance, try not to ruin it by being the same person again. 99% of the time, we forgive people because we still want them in our lives. Love is the seventh sense which destroys all other six senses. Love does not consist of gazing at each other, but in looking together in the same direction. I will never hurt you is one of the most popular lies. Love is a language spoken by everyone but understood only by the heart. Love is the only game never postponed due to darkness. Relationships never die a natural death. They are murdered by ego, attitude, and ignorance. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time. Don't give them the keys to your heart if you know they'll lose it. Love is about taking risks, not being stupid. Don't fall for anyone, make that person fall for you.